Hey, ladies and gents, I am commercial photographer Tony Roseland. Welcome to my studio. This week I want to share with you something that was driving me crazy last week trying to edit a headshot, and that is Photoshop's latest iteration of the Select and Mask tool. This tool is virtually useless. The latency and lag is so bad, and the selections that it makes is so horrible that it was unusable. I could not use it. So I put the call out to Instagram, and of course one of my friends and followers there responded with a very simple way to bring back the legacy Refine Edge tool, and I am going to share that with you right now. All right, so let's say we want to edit a photo like this, just a simple headshot. And typically what you would do is just grab your quick selection tool or something and you make a selection around it. And when you're done, you can come up here and hit select and mask, and then that opens a window for you, which takes some time, and there you go. And then we'll come in here and we're on smart radius and everything, and all I want to do is kind of refine the hair selection here. So I'll make this here, and I'm waiting, and there it goes. Oh, it did something, and then that. Waiting there, and it's doing a pretty crappy, I don't know what it's doing now. It's spinning and doing stuff. I'm not touching anything right now. Let's just sit and wait on this and see how long this takes. This is what I'm talking about. Why is this like this? It didn't used to be. Now I'm sitting here, I don't know what's happening right now. It's doing some kind of thinking or algorithm that it doesn't need to do. This is just unusable. Look how long this is taking. Absolutely insane. I can't do anything else in the meantime. Oh, now I did it. I think it's done. Let me try adding this just through here just to get some of that background. Oh, wouldn't it look at that? Half the head. This is stupid. Let me see if I can cancel. So that isn't the way to do it. The way to do it is to get the old Refine Edge mask back is once you've made your selection with your quick selection tool, then you come up to select, hold down shift, and click select and mask. And when you do that, lo and behold, we got our old Refine Edge mask tool back. We can click on smart radius, and then we can come in here and we can start to Refine Edge. Look at that. Look how beautiful it does. Real quick, it picks up all those stray hairs in there. Look at that. Look how it's picking all those up. It just does an amazing job, and it's fast, right? I mean, it's hard to beat. I could sit here and make this thing absolutely perfect, but you can see all those stray hairs are red. So it's picking up all those things, and it's super fast, and that's all I want it to do. Just go through and work fast and pick up what you're supposed to be doing. So hopefully that helps some of you. Again, you do your quick selection tool, whatever is your tool of choice. You come up and go to select, hold down shift and hit select and mask, and that will bring up the legacy Refine Edge tool. And from there, you can start to go crazy and actually refine your mask like that. Look how simple that is. Boom, it just picks up all of these old stray hairs. I love this tool. It just works the way it's supposed to. Makes masking so much easier. All right, so hopefully that will keep you from throwing your computer into a wall or punching a baby or whatever it is that you do when you get upset. I know that I was right at the border of wanting to smash my machine because it was driving me crazy just trying to edit a simple headshot. So again, a little thumbs up if you like that. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with everything that we're doing. And if you're so inclined, jump over to Instagram and give us a follow over there. I am heading out to Maui in the morning, and so I will probably be posting some IG stories. I just picked up that Zhiyun Smooth Q gimbal, so I can throw my iPhone in there and get some of that sweet vertical video. And then you guys can follow along. So that's it for now. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out.